Enigma.
And Lissafi Lesotho, though he was a man of the people, no one that's why Mwetaga the people's president. Oh yes.
And you know, in on a siasa cia Nairobi, I don't think Emudu utawarite siasa cia Nairobi hida ina netaraira.
No. That one is on a draft taragwesiria muno. That's a definite yes. Oh yes.
He's an enigma.
He's an enigma. Baba Tinga Jacob. Oh yes.
Na ni ganire at least umuthi rochine ne mwere ni ukiambire kurokio kuria bunge.
Yes, he lay in state at Parliament buildings.
Ni ndo wagite okio kia kule in state. Ida ne ndirabite kumaka gwa thogotha na mubango uri urabangitwo ira. Ne ndirarigitwo kana kai mweke ucio ri coko thuo.
Wa othio guo okuhitukwo ni mahinda.
And you know it does not happen to everyone.
No, it doesn't. That is a big honor.
Gitio kia mundu ahurukite na kayo gitio kiu gia kula in state kuria Parliament building.
Yes.
Tigite okiheagwo andu othe. Actually ndireciria kihetwo andu na guku bururi-ini.
Yes, he's just around 4 now. It's true.
Mzee Jomo Kenyatta, Daniel Moi,
Jaramogi Oginga Odinga. Yes.
Was he?
I think yes. Can you confirm that, Mudhoni? I think he lay in state, if I am not very wrong. Yes. And of course, Mwai Kibaki. Yes.
Tigete okiheagwo andu aingi.
No. Yes.
But at least Raila Amolo Odinga got it.
Absolutely.
This morning.
And deservedly so. May Enigma rest well. Oh yes.
Igongona rikiuma inene kuria Nyayo Stadium.
Mwaria thutha wa mwaria. Makiaria. Gigutongoragio ni muthikabu wa diocese ya Nairobi ya ACK. Jonathan Kabiro. Yes. Na kuma muthikabu wa kuma kuria Bondo. Na Roria Mata.
Aeto Professor David Cody.
Usiangalie munipatie hiyo. Bishop Kabiru, Baba Askofu Kabiru, ninaomba tu kwa heshima unipatie mahali.
Deservedly told no kile muthikabu wa family ya Oginga.
The Odingas, yes.
Kuma kuria mucie kwa Bondo.
Yes.
No muthikabu wao.
Yes.
So it was in line ukimuhe gitio gia kuheana kiugo thiini wa igongona ria muthenya wa muthi.
Yes.
Nona akiaridunga.
Ni auma no horo. Ni agufataire kamero. Ni agufataire. Yes.
Aliwekelea.
Yes. Ari ndazi dia utumite andu amwe akui.
Kuri andu amwe makwajitie kuigua tama gukiriria ite kidogo.
Yes. Anyway. Makiaria the family very solemn. They eulogized the enigma in a very deep way. The children na mami wao. Yes.
Jugwira mama Aida akiuga ati mamenyanite na Raila for 52 years.
Nauga odo, you know, come to think of it, is very true. Nyaroria Stadium auga andu aria ingi meko no makoro meciana ciake.
It is true.
Which is very true.
Aiko makimenyanite miaka 52 ri.
Yes.
Ni wakio ne hinda inene.
Andu 52 kwa batatia ingi gukira ya nina ni.
Yes.
So you have to give it up to her as well. Kuruma by the side of such a person we hothete muingi-ini.
Miaka 52 na ya iri
is a calling.
Na mitadio kure yothe agereire.
Yes. Ona kuumiria uhoro ucio wothe is the proverbial the biblical virtuous woman. Oh yes. Ndio. Unyewe.
Aye.
Atiria niku. Ari kana tuwe masakaya. Hey.
No menyire gajo muno waritete mesha.
Yes.
Haha riu MC wa thirikari akiricognize ageni mashuhuri aria makinyite ri.
The protocol. Yes.
Etagwo Gitonga. Haria agweteire the fourth president muigi wa bururuka.
Yes.
Hau no menyire riu riria kajo mwari rugama.
Yes. Hey. Oh well. You see, politically it has to be interpreted tondu gutio ndutaragirerio yes ayerie nginya guthie na protocol amba gutithia ya asante sana
muingi naguo no mbugiririo
asanteni aya mama Aida
Rosemary
nginya ndauga
ona riu ambe ahorere
yes
kirindi kihora horere
yes na tiuru kwendeka
yes kwendeka no favor ya Ngai
ni favor ya Ngai ni kibali yes Akiari of course the moderator for today was the deputy president yes
Professor Kindiki
yes na tumanage ni aige yes
ni mauma aige nginya president
nona kuyoro guori hari handu tonie tahaire gatithio kidogo yes
he mwana gatithio na hau ni hakondo harorwo
yes
program ine ire tigarite hari aria ri
yes
I felt his excellency Kalonzo Musyoka ni angiaheo kanya ga kwaria yes
you have to give it up and agree gutiri mundu rugamite na baba ta Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka
I think they have a very long history hari ateti ario the male currently
absolutely
Kalonzo na Raila mena rugano ruraihu na rwa miaka mingi
yes
probably than anybody else
it is true omenya kwaja maita maria mothe na rugama president running mate wake akoragwo Kalonzo Musyoka
yes marugamite meri magitungumanaga
yes matungumana onake no bado akarugama naka you know
yes na akarugama nake
yes ndireciria ni angiheirwo handu
akona wodondo
yes
akamutiga magacoka no
yes ona utuka nake Kalonzo kuri hindi onete wodondo kidogo
ende amugathe mwai wake
baki kwende etiro we oka Steve oka no wende faisi
no tokena Raila
uka wiki kitu kile mudojo
rukide
kitu kile ki
ukana ukirukire
we tanita baibweno ai ana nirira ai na no orocio accept rio tuku we how do kaume onyiti how irio ikugera nitathani
no maitho hau
nyama irajia oigwa ni guthi kwa nyeni ri thie gwika hurura na macebebe uyu ruge miuguo na tukenye ni mundu yes
that was 207
yes hapo nayo aliwatoka naye baba karudi akamtoka kidogo wakati alipatiwa handshake tondu hindi ru baba prime minister ni acokire akira Kalonzo wewe unijui tondu ingira thirikaine ni anehire gukira mundu uriku
gukira Kalonzo
acio hindi andu ni mahuthagia
gite kia deputy gituire bara kuma tene
kwaja ke faisi riu ni kiari kihuthu muno
no mothe gitire kia hore
azizi omothe ni kiri koritu ungeba ngari ita mugathe o wiku no igutware handu no we faisi gutia andu kingia gutwarire tondu ingirie kou riu vice president Stephen
Kalonzo
Raila yuka kimura we ukira
tehera ite icio
amka
toka hapo
mukana mataito yako
rudi huko nyuma
ndangia huko nyuma Kalonzo vice ya nini na kwende mabishanire ni nyumbere ya Shalon BP
yes
Kalonzo akirwo ni weki niwe muhuthu yes was it the same time when Marendio Tiato was a speaker
it is that time
kwa na gushania leader of the official government business in the house. Yes. Steve akiuga karothwa. Mundu no.
Mundu ni
Ni kivanga. Mama ni yoguo kuria mwingi. Kivanga. Mundu ni kivanga. Wa kolwo koka. Watu muokathia changa iwe. Ndiye telega. Na kwa ndiye telega. I'm the prime minister. I'm the leader of official government business.
Yo ndio taito yako yo ndiri handu iri.
Marende niwe woyo horojo, and that ruling was called the Solomonic ruling.
Yes, Speaker Marende.
And it was hailed a lot. No dog niwe kwa assume and because ya neaso okiriodo. So Kalonzo and Raila go way back.
Merugano runene muno rwa miaka mingi.
Okoa Kenya. Niwe wahetwo nginya backward. Raikano oete tiro.
Imwe wa githurano gia 2013.
Yes.
Wanairwo placard ya tiro.
Agero Kalonzo. Inua pochi. Shikilia pochi sawasawa. Kiambia hii
agithie kothio na tiro.
Wale hawajasoma nitawasomea. No, Kalonzo has stood by Raila.
Na githurano giki kiriga.
Yes.
Giki akuithitio uira bigiga.
Bigiga tahan. Nene zoke kironi hotia.
It's hot here.
Honorable Martha Nakeni ni horosi.
No muthi nduri wago amugomana.
Most of the evidence that has been presented here by the petitioner is hot air.
Ndi muthiete na uira rori ngima. Evuara ngima.
Jero ihorete uira.
Na Kalonzo ndio oheirwo bigiga ria nene.
Yes.
No muthuri ucio ni akudisavite kuyo handu.
Muthuri ucio ni mukuire onake.
I eulogize the late prime minister.
The enigma. Yes. Hawa ndugu yangu Raila Odinga, na tutasimama na ndugu yangu bila kutingishwa. Nipe wiper tuone, lete wiper. Sema ODM. No, that was on a kiama yake itiumete ODM win.
Yeah. The original ODM.
Yes.
Is okay tukana itweka ODMK.
Yes.
ODMK igithie na Kalonzo ni acokire gutwika wiper.
Yes.
Akeraira agithie na ODM.
Yes. I think in the coming programs ya sequence ya this process ya kuhurukia Raila ni afatie thero handu
ituru re.
Yes.
They have a very long history together.
No, they do.
Ucio ni makufatie kumuhe handu.
Absolutely. Yes, I agree. Yes. Nipe wiper. Leta dia telekanye. Wiper, lete wiper, weka wiper juu. Tuko na Kalonzo. Ona heodu Raila gwetha Kalonzo kaigwe. Even trust the man. Saving Kalonzo Musyoka.
Kibanga ni angiheirwo handu o ndagika 3.
Yes.
Agwetwo miario iri 3.
Yeah, and he's also a very respected diplomat in the globe. Tauno ni ona ni uthire ku nyitogeni former president wa Tanzania, Mrisho Kikwete.
Jakaya Kikwete.
Yes.
Na actually Kalonzo arari nja wa bururi arakanja icera aracoka.
Absolutely.
Yakinyiro muthi ruci.
Yakinyiro muthi. Yes. So
kibanga
angaliliwe mahali.
Ni afatie therwo handu.
Yes.
Ona eni ugutige keheo andu othe, but for him he deserves.
No, yes, he deserves. Yes. Yeah.
Ine.
Saja.
Kende tigetie ndagika 3.